How to use Mockup Generator on Freepik. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use Mockup Generator on Freepik. Now let us just jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do here is go to your web browser and then search for Freepik. Make sure that you log into your account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. Now the Mockup Generator is something that you can use to create stunning products in seconds, and you don't even need any Photoshop skills. So what you need to do is go to freepik.com/mockupgenerator. I'll just go ahead and enter the URL over here, /mockups-generator. Hit enter. And as you can see here, you can explore and browse through a tons of templates, including t-shirts, mugs, phones, and different posters. You can choose the mockup template that you want and select the one that fits your design or style of the product. Then you can click on upload and use your product's image. Now all you have to do here is you need to get a pro plan to start creating. Now if you click on create your mockup, it's going to take you to this mockup editor over here. You can select your library and browse through these products. So I'll just go over here on a t-shirt, click on edit online. Now you can easily add your logo or your picture, whatever you want to be on this t-shirt. Now you can go over to uploads here and upload a media to use it on here. So I'll just upload a picture of this car for now. And then you can use this as your mockup on the t-shirt. You can find different layers over here and you can edit it as you like. So there are different parts of the t-shirt that you can use it on. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.